Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. So welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And as always, hit the like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, leave them down below. So today I'm going to do a quick little run through of how to use NinjaTrader, how to set up a chart. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a chart for day trading, the S&P E-minis, and also using the stochastics with the three like I do on Thinkorswim. So if you do use NinjaTrader or you come across this video trying to figure out how to use NinjaTrader, this is how you do it. And we're also going to show you how to do the charts trader to be able to make trades and things like that. It's really useful. It's really helpful. And NinjaTrader is a great platform if you want to use somebody other than Thinkorswim or anybody else. So they do offer futures and all that. Like I said, great executions, great platform, and very simple to use. So this is the main chart that you'll get when you kind of open it. Just go to up here, go to new, go to chart, and you'll see something like this get set up, right? So you'll want to come over here, select what you want. So if you want the S&P 500, if you want stocks or whatever. But for me, I'll go to futures, go to the ES, okay? Or you could do the MES. So here's the ES, so we'll just kind of click here. You could make all changes. You could color the candlesticks, do whatever you want. But for here, it's all very customizable. We're just going to click OK, and we'll get a chart like this. So let's close that. And here we are right now with the same exact chart. So if you want, you could either right click, okay, you have all these things, or you could use them all up here. They're essentially the same thing. Also, if you want to change the time frame, let's say you want 5 minute, you could go here to 5 minutes. If you want the 1 minute, if you want to do seconds, ticks, volume, whatever you want. So we'll stay on the 1 minute, okay? And then if you come over to right click, right click, go to indicators, or you could select, I believe it's this guy for indicators, right? Come over here, indicators, and we're going to scroll down and we're going to look for the fast stochastic, because that's what I normally use, right? So we'll come over here, stochastics fast, okay? We'll double click it, we'll add it, okay, double left click, and now we have it. Now, for myself and my charts, I use a period 3, okay? The fast is 9, okay, but I hide my fast. So what we'll do is we'll come down over here, okay, and we have our lines, and that's your overbought, oversold. So let's change these lines. So you'll want to left click. Let's change this to, we'll just say a gray. Where is it? We'll go slate gray, okay, and then we will go to the upper, do the same thing, and we'll go up to slate gray. Where are you? Slate gray, okay, and then we will close that, and then we'll go to D. Let's change D, left click. Go to D here. Let's change this to our orange, or like a dark gold, okay? And then the other thing is we'll come to K. Well, here on K, we actually don't want the double lines, right? So what we only want to show one line. So what I'll do is under K, we're going to mark this as transparent, okay? And we're going to use this right here where it says transparent, and we're going to apply, and now we have just one line, right? If we come here, we go to properties, let's go actually let's go back to our indicator, right? And let's make it untransparent just so you guys could see, right? So if I and let's make it crimson, right? Apply, it gives me that double line. I don't want that, right? Because it's too much noise. So what I'll do is I'll mark it to transparent, and now I could see my divergences, and this is very easy. So and then if we ever want to draw a line, right, we have our drawing tools line, and we could look for our divergences, something, let's do this. Let's add a crosshair. So I just want a local, so I'm able to see divergences, right? And let's say, let's try and find one. Here we go. We'll just use this, right? Let's go back here, go to our line, and just draw the line here, right? And then do the same thing and draw the line right here. So here is our divergence, right? Higher highs, but we kind of have a double top here, so that's considered divergence, things like that. Now, with that being said, now let's go over and add Chart Trader. That's where we could trade directly off the chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to left click this, and we're going to go Chart Trader. Okay, and here we have our buy, sell, things like that. If you want to change the instrument, you'll be able to do that. If you want your sim account to your live account, it's right there. And so once you get that all set up, you have ATM strategies. What they are custom strategies. So if I want to make a custom where I go, hey, I want a 4-tick stop loss with a 4-tick profit, I could save this template as, we'll just go ES 4x4, right? Something like this, meaning 4 stop, 4 save, okay, and then now I could have a 4x4, and then if I want, I could do it by market or whatever. If I want, let's say I want to buy something down here, so we're seeing the market just open, right? So if I want to buy a limit, I could do buy limit down there, and it'll set up the bracket for me. So I hope that helps how to set up a chart with Chart Trader using NinjaTrader. Again, great platform. If you're looking for a platform to use, very simple to understand and to use. And until next time, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.